Hello, all you beautiful meditation teachers. Welcome to Studio Magic. I'm going to give you like a really quick tour of my little recording setup and show you what I've got so that you don't get intimidated thinking you got to have something super fancy or special in order to do what I've done. My gear that I'm about to show you is about $1,000 worth of gear and setup, and it has generated hundreds of thousands of dollars in passive income. So, this little setup is a beautiful thing. So I'm going to turn my camera around. I'm going to back up so you can see. So this is my recording corner. My buddy and I, who's a carpenter, we just did these little sound panels. This is an extra touch. I mean, I'm a coach and I have a media company, so it makes sense for me to have a nice little situation here. But literally, these are just 2x4s, like 2 by 3.5 feet. And they're 2x4s with insulation that you'd put in your walls in your house. And then, and basically just some fabric we got for super cheap at Fabricland. And then we just stapled it on. Very, very simple. Over here, this is the mic that in that pricing list of the 3 different levels. This is in the middle package with the $1,000 budget. This is the cage that you can get for soundproofing. So literally this just absorbs the sound here so much that it sounds like I'm in a professional recording studio. If you get one of these and you get some insulation from clothes or a blanket or something like that around you, that's your recording studio. That's good enough. You can make a little pillow fort out of this thing and away you go. Now, sorry for the mess on my desk here. That's actually not too bad. Right here, this is the middle mixer in the $1,000 package. Basically, this connects headphones right here. So I can listen to myself while I'm doing the thing. Don't get intimidated by this. I used to be so scared. If you order the mixer, you'll just watch like a 5-minute tutorial and be like, oh, that's so simple. This one plugs into my microphone, which goes down my desk, and I listen over there. I plug it in over there. And then at the back here, these literally just go up to my speakers, and there's a USB cable right here that connects to my computer. It's really not that complicated. And again, my gear is the $1,000 package. That was the budget I had back in the day when I made my upgrades. And it's really not complicated. I use a editing software called Studio One. It's free. You watch 30 minutes of tutorials how to edit audio with Studio One on YouTube, and you're gonna be off to the races. It's very, very simple stuff. If you take time for tech learning time, you'll learn tech in no time. So you've seen the gear list. It's on the page here. You can just read through all of them, do a little bit of research. I mean, these were dated from just over a year ago, so they're not the most up to date, but if you order those ones, you'll probably get them a little bit cheaper than the newest models that are coming out, and they're gonna be great. You'll do just fine with the stuff that's here. If you have a different mic, then take some tests and post them and get some feedback from the community, and before you know it, you're gonna have a professional recording studio. You're gonna be in the flow of writing and recording audio meditations all the time. Way to go!